after some time we will be leaving for a Rome in a train. So yeah, journey कैसा होता है देखती हूँ, because we have got lot of luggages to carry with us. Today we have started our journey. That time we had only one, two, three trolleys and one handbag. Finally, the time has come to go to Rome. After 4 hours of journey from Venice, we have reached Rome and we are just waiting for the taxi. In front of me is the railway station and I think that is the first terminal, and we are waiting in the line for the taxi right now. Finally, our last destination, Rome. We have boarded the taxi and out here the system is pretty good. No matter who you are, you need to stand in the line. There is a taxi service people and one by one the taxi will come and you will just go and sit in the taxi. It's not like ours. Aajao, 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 isme baitho. It's not like that, and it's pretty good. So we are going to hotel right now. 4 hours, no disturbance, nothing. Had a great time in the train too, and yes, yeah. Every after 2 hours, they are serving you snacks, tea, not tea, coffee, cappuccino, whatever you want. So yeah, that's pretty good. Rome, here we come. Reached the hotel, NH Collection. So right in front of our hotel is this station, but it's huge and we are in the center of the city. We have reached the hotel and it's pretty nice, pretty big. Everything is here and we are in the center of the city. So yes, this is our bed and this is the washroom plus the bathroom. It's nice. A tub.
You have a nice coffee maker. The favorite chips of mine also there. Wow.
And let me see the
view.
view.
Also red. The tissues are red in everything is red.
Okay, wow. Since we are in the first floor, the view is not that okay, but all right. Since we are very hungry, so we will just go out, munch something, and then after that we will come and we will freshen up and let's see after that kya hota hai.
If you're looking for the restaurant, I think there is one close. Okay. See this?
We are just going out because we just wanted to munch something since we didn't had anything in the day. We had only breakfast and in the train like snacks like the coffee and the biscuits and the chips. रोटी खाओ रोटी meal in Roma. Had our dinner. Now again going back to the hotel. We thought that we will munch something, but again it was too late.
Dinner
so
for €100.
we had a dinner, and now going back to the hotel. We will take shower and take rest because tomorrow we have a guided tour to. Where are we going tomorrow? Colosseum Museum. Yeah. पीछे देखो. पहिलाको जमानामा चाहिँ यति बेसी घोडा हिँड्थ्यो कि क्या यहाँ हिँड्थ्यो रोममा घोडा पुरै हिँड्थ्यो. द्याट्स द रिजन. सडक चाहिँ एकदम कन्क्रिटको जस्तै छ घोडा हिँड्ने.